Hi guys, today we will do a live trade for long iron butterfly, also known as long iron fly. Now, the stock that we have selected is CTSH, Cognizant Tech Solutions. Why have we selected? Because it's going above the Bollinger Band. So whenever it goes above the Bollinger Band, there is a higher chance it will continue to go up and you can get more and more profits. So we go to trade, we enter the symbol, it shows us different expiry dates. Now I'm selecting the nearest expiry date of 13th October so that I can show you like really fast within a week how we set to make a profit within a week. In such a short time period, if you can make a good profit, then you know in a longer time period you can make huge profits. So we will be selecting a rate around the top Bollinger Band. The top Bollinger Band is 73.37, so we need to select around 73 or 73.50. Now we won't be selecting 73.50 because at the end of the day, whichever highest strike price that we will select, that will act as a buy strike price. So our profit will start from that rate. So if you will select 73.50, it's 50 cents higher than 73. So we will be losing that 50 cent profit. So that's why we will be selecting 73. Now you might be thinking, why don't we select it 72, 71, 70? We can, but the game plan is stay nearer to the top Bollinger Band. It will help you make money. Now we are right click buy and we are selecting iron butterfly, but as you can see there is no iron butterfly. So we'll select iron condor because iron condor is a bit nearer to the iron butterfly. In an long iron butterfly, you sell one put and buy put and call. This is put and call. And then you sell a call. Wait a minute. Now yesterday, I just checked the prices so that I can see what the prices end. So I selected these numbers with 93 cents debit what I selected yesterday. So let's see if the numbers remain the same today as well. Here we go. It stays at 93 cents debit, 93 cents debit. Now our top price of 73 will act as a buy call. Now we have selected 73, 72 and 71. If we go to charts, 73 acts here, 72 acts here, 71 acts here. So all are nearer to our Bollinger Bands. Top Bollinger Band, middle Bollinger Band, lower Bollinger Band. The top Bollinger Band is 73.37, middle is 72.32, lower is 71.26. Now you won't be finding these exact numbers, but you will be finding numbers nearer. Example 71.50 and 72.50. So let's make it nearest. 72.50, 72.50 and 71.50. It reduces our net debit to 48 cents. So we will use this number because the lower the net debit, the better. Why risk more when you can pay less? And if we look at it, we are selecting the highest strike price at 73. And our highest strike price is the most important because that's where our profit starts. You can change the numbers below, but not the highest number, because the highest number is from where your profit starts. Because if the price goes lower and comes within your range, then it's not good. It's a bad trade. So if it is bad with, like, let's say strike prices of 72 or 72.50 and the lowest strike price of 71.50 or 71, it doesn't really matter to you. What matters is your initial loss, that is the total max loss, is reduced. I showed you 93 cents, now it's reduced to 48 cents. So your initial loss is now reduced to a really good number. We are using 10 options contract. So once you click confirm and send, it shows you the max loss of 516, 480 as like the debit cost and $36 as the commission cost, $36.95. If we reduce from 10 options contract to 1 option contract and click send, it shows from 480 to 48, $9.95 as your commission. So it's $57.95. but we are using 10 options contract. So you can see the numbers change according to the contracts that you use. You can use 1, you can use 10. It's up to you. But always follow the plan that I am discussing right now. Wait a minute. And here we go. Our order is placed. Now let's see how the trade goes. Thank you. Hi guys, today is Monday end, and as you can see, our stock CTSH, that is Cognizant Tech Solution, has just opened higher but closed lower and made a spike low. But currently it's outside the Bollinger Band, so we are still bullish. We will sit tight and see how the stock goes and ends on Friday. Thank you. Hi guys, today is early hours of Wednesday, and as you can see, on Tuesday the price went from 73.62, that is its open was 73.62, it went till high of 74.10 and closed at 74, which is 0.48% higher than the previous close. So as you can see, our rate is climbing slowly and gradually. So CTSH, that is Cognizant Tech Solution, is currently not a bad trade, and we will sit through it to see how it goes and expires in the money and makes it a good profit, because basically all these strategies are based on profitability, nothing else. So let's see. Thank you. Hi guys, this is our trade Cognizant Tech Solution, that is symbol CTSH, and as you can see, it has currently closed at 73.60. Now if you look at it for the last 1, 2, 3, 4 days, it has been going like for a straightforward period. However, if you remember our trade, we are currently in profit. So we don't have so much of a concern that what will happen next. We will sit tight and see how the trade goes. Basically, as we are trading like a really close expiry period of 5 days, because we traded on Monday and we chose like Friday expiry date, so we already knew that our profit will be smaller, because the larger the expiry date, the far higher chances of making money. So with a small expiry date, we are already expecting a smaller profit. But if we end up in profit, then it shows that on a shorter expiry period, if you can make money, then on a longer expiry period, you can always make huge sums of money. So that's what's like really important, because at the end of the day, why are we using these strategies? To make money. And if we can make money on the shorter dated expiry, then everyone knows it's an awesome strategy. So we will stick to our guns and see what happens in the next 2 days to make sure that we end up in profit or loss. But we won't be squaring the trade right now. Right now it looks perfect. The Bollinger Band going up, the price going straight, so it can certainly jump up and like make our profit a bit fatter. So let's see. Thank you. Hi guys, today is Thursday end, and our trade in symbol CTSH Cognizant Tech Solution is going smoothly. Today it closed at 74.09, which is its highest ever closing. So it tells us that it is still moving as per our plan and going up. And tomorrow will be the last trading day, so if it expires at like around this level, we will be making a good profit. So we'll sit tight and see how the trade goes, because if tomorrow it like adds in $1, then that $1 will be added to our profits, and that's a brilliant thing. What really matters is the price goes up, up and up. And as you can see, this is a short dated options contract. Still we are managing profits, which shows that our plan works. The best part. Thank you. Hi guys, today is Friday end and our trade in Cognizant Tech Solution, that is symbol CTSH, have expired. Now if you remember, we have traded 4 parts of this option strategy, that is selling 10 puts, buying 10 put and calls, and then selling 10 calls. Our prices were 71.50, 72.50 and 73. Now why we chose these prices? In the first lecture you saw that we chose them because we wanted the debit to be reduced to the lowest level, and therefore our debit was 48 cents. So our trade would have been profitable above 73, and then we will deduct 48 cents from it to know how much profit we have generated. Now this blue line represents the 73 call option. Now we have traded 2 more options, 71.50 and 72.50. Let me mark them. This is 72.50 and this is 71.50. Now we could have chosen it higher, but we chose it lower than the Bollinger Band because we wanted the net debit, initial net debit, to be really low, because we knew that the price was outside the Bollinger Band, so it will continue to go up and our net debit will be acting as our initial loss. So we need to reduce the loss to as low as we can. However, we need the top strike price to stay near the top Bollinger Band. We don't need it to really go up or down. The middle strike prices can be adjusted as you want, but try to remain it nearer to this red line. The lower strike price can also be adjusted as you want, but the point is you have to adjust them to reduce your initial losses, because your initial loss of 48 cents will always be there to be deducted from your profit. Now from 73, the price ended at 74.38. That means we made a $1.38 profit. Now if we deduct $1.38 minus 48 cents, we get a 90-cent profit. Let me change it. Here you go. We got a 90-cent profit from this trade. Now we traded 10 options contract. One option contract is equal to 100 shares. So 10 option contract multiplied by 100 option contract multiplied by 90-cent profit. So we get a $900 profit. Now this is only a 2-week trade, so we know that the price will go up further, so our profit would have increased more. But as you know, we have time constraint. I have time constraint, so I've made a short expiry period option trade, only a week, and within the week you made a $900 profit. So just assume what you would have made if you would have traded it for a month expiry period. Now this trade comes with the guarantee that you won't lose more than 48 cents. So your losses are fixed, but your profits are unlimited. And that's what happened within this 1 week. We got a $900 profit without doing anything special. And if our expiry date would have extended, our profits would have increased further. And therefore the stock market, these strategies would be acting as our personal ATM. Passive income coming each and every month without increased risk. The best part. Thank you.